Why do we eat some animals but not others? Do you feel the same about a shark as you do about a rabbit? Would you eat an alligator? Would you choose to save an octopus? How does that compare to, say, an orangutan or a dog? A group of researchers in Singapore sought to understand how people perceived animals, delving into how they felt towards different types of species, including those typically viewed as sources of food. Participants in the study were asked to rate 16 animals, including shark, alligator, pig, dog, octopus, rabbit, cow, and orangutan, in terms of warmth and competence. 4 groupings emerged from the ratings: love, save, indifferent, and dislike, indicating how the participants felt towards the species. The researchers also measured the ethical ideology of participants from the sample group, which included vegetarians, animal activists, and those who regarded themselves as neither, with those identifying as vegetarians or animal activists tending to hold more absolutist beliefs. To stay up to date with latest top stories, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the button above this video. Participants rated the 16 non-human animal species significantly differently on dimensions of warmth and competence, says Dr. Paul Patinadin, a graduate of James Cook University, Australia and Nanyang Technological University in Singapore, and now with the National Healthcare Group, Singapore. 16 different animals were grouped into 4 different characteristics, which did not vary much with ethical ideology. Credit: Patinadin and Dillon. However, people's ethical ideologies about non-human animals do not seem to affect the social permutations they grant to the different species. In other words, the way participants tended to feel towards certain species was independent from their own ethical or moral standpoint on them. The current findings suggest that general human feelings about animals might be sourced from mental shortcuts of adaptive social value judgments and permutations, said Patinadin. This would go some way to explaining why people often ascribe food animals as less sentient and therefore less deserving of rights and moral concern. Understanding the place of our own moral judgments amongst non-human animals might help to finally define the nebulous nature of human interaction with the beings that share our world with us, says Patinadin. Of future interest to the scientists is a comparison of the results of this research, conducted in Singapore, with a similar study of Western cultures to identify similarities and differences in how each perceives animals from their own cultural contexts.